Hey, good morning, YouTube. What is up? It is happy 4th of July, and I love 4th of July usually, but with everything that's going on, I still love it, but nowhere to really go and see big firework doings around here that you don't have to drive a long, long ways for. And I can tell you right now, my husband's definitely not into driving a long ways to go see fireworks, so... Anyway, that's what is going on today. We're still going to have a nice, relaxing weekend at home, staying safe and, all that good stuff. And apologize for the lighting in here. I'm right in front of that window and the sun is shining incredibly bright today. It's about 10 something in the morning Eastern time. It's Saturday morning, and went out for my 2-mile walk this morning and was already just sweating like crazy out there. It's already about 75 degrees. So anyway, with that nice thought in mind, we will go ahead and get into our shout outs. So the way that you get shout outs on my videos are to keep coming back and commenting, not just, once in a blue moon, but just keep following back, watching and everything. And on that note too, if I don't respond very quickly to your comment, it's usually because of the fact that the comment shows up in spam, and that is because YouTube will pick up on certain keywords. It doesn't have a lot to do with how long you watch. If you just show up, comment, and leave, it might. However, that and the keywords, I think the keywords are more so the like sub to sub, a follow back, things of that nature. Less connect, if you do the connect to the just normal spelling of the word, that's why you will sometimes see different spellings of it out there. So let's go ahead and get on into these shout outs this morning. We do have Ukulele Bug. She does show up on my channel first and foremost on almost every video first, and will stick around and comment. And then she'll keep coming back to other videos. Like I said, she is almost first. The way that you get first, after you hit subscribe down below, of course, go ahead and click on the bell right beside it. You can select notifications, and then that way you get an alert every time I do a video. And so Ricky Jiang, he's not been feeling very good. I think he may actually have caught COVID. I'm not sure. Praying for him and his family, though. Definitely touching my heart there with that. So I hope him and his family do recover quickly. Hope they don't have it, but I think they did have a few symptoms of it and waiting to get test results back or something like that. So anyway, I do like his channel, and very positive kid out there. I know you probably don't like the word kid, but you are young to me, so and I'm 48 years old. So anyway, we do also have Yummy Tummy Dishes. I know some of these may be repeats, and you guys might be going, why? And that's just because you guys keep showing back up. I definitely thank you for that. And you keep leaving nice, positive comments. And that's how you get shout outs. Later on, I may, ask if you guys could follow me on Instagram and Pinterest. And then I'll do shout outs, including that. But right now, just showing up here is good enough for me. So, and then there is a newcomer on the block, but he is a, I don't really know if that's a word, newcomer on the block, who knows. But he does keep showing back up for every single video. So I definitely want to go ahead and give a shout out and a thank you to you. And apologize if I'm not saying your YouTube channel name correctly. We do have Eli, sorry. I wouldn't cut that out, but with my allergies today, it might repeat later worse. Sorry, guys. I'll try to see if I cut that part out, but my editing skills. So anyway, sorry. Eli Gab Ret. And he's a gaming channel. I'll leave his link down below. And then I'll leave everybody's links down below, of course. And then we do have Transform Your Life. He's got a, I guess, relatively new YouTube channel. And he's got some great videos out there. The last one is some free intro, outro, which is definitely helpful to everybody on YouTube. Templates, I think. And then, so overall, we've got Ukulele Bug, Ricky Jiang. We do have Yummy Tummy Dishes, Eli Gab Ret, and then transform your life. So I'll list you guys down below. I do want to say thank you very much. If you guys are on Pinterest and also on Instagram, if you want to go ahead and do a shout out to me on there, and I'll do the same back to you on there as well. Tag me when you do it. I think to tag, especially on Instagram, you do hashtag and then the unpopular mom, except for on the Instagram, I think I'll leave the link down below, but I think it's the very unpopular mom, because the unpopular mom unfortunately was already taken, or I was locked out of the account, one of the two. So I just did the very unpopular mom. And so if you want to do that, and then on Pinterest, I am definitely the unpopular mom. And you can tell because it's my picture with my yellow shirt, and then it's got my link to my upcoming blog down right below it. So definitely be on the lookout for that. I've been taking a wonderful course that's helping me finally get my blog going. The part that I keep getting stuck on the blog is actually doing the selections of how I want everything to appear on it. So I keep getting stuck on all that stuff on it, which is why it's taken forever and a day. And so anyway, I will go ahead and sign off. Have a happy, wonderful, safe 4th of July weekend, and stay safe, everybody. See you guys. Thanks. Bye.